Good morning, friends. I'm going to read you a story about different cultures and just different things that people may do to celebrate. All right. So this book is called We All Come from Different Cultures. American and more. We are all Americans of different cultures. We have proud heritages to share. My parents came to America from Mexico. On the 5th day of every May, we celebrate a holiday called Cinco de Mayo. Chinese New Year lasts 2 weeks. A dancing dragon and popping firecrackers bring good luck to everyone. A pavada is a dress young girls wear in India. I felt proud at my school's ethnic celebration day. My ancestors came from Africa more than 200 years ago. Our class made African animal masks for Black History Month. What animals are they? This one's a lion, and this one's a monkey. Sharing customs. My best friend likes to eat Middle Eastern lunch at my house. Falafel pita sandwiches are the best. My Navajo grandmother weaves beautiful wool rugs. My favorite designs are of the rain and of sacred mountains. My name is Philippa. In Swedish, that means someone who likes horses. I love horses. We like being different. It's cool that our ancestors came from so many different places. It's even cooler that we all live in America together. The end. Friends, I hope you liked that book, and I hope you got to see that we are all different. No one is the same. Not the same. But it's cool to celebrate and to learn about different places. So I hope you liked the book, and I'll see you guys soon.